Looking for the perfect residential garage door in Apple Valley, CA? Trust a door company for expert service and top-quality doors. We offer a wide range of stylish and durable garage doors to complement any home's design. Whether you need a new installation or a replacement, our team delivers precision and professionalism every time. Upgrade your home's curb appeal and security with a garage door built to last. We work with leading brands to provide the best in functionality and durability. Our expert technicians ensure smooth and reliable installation for optimal performance. Having trouble with your garage door? We offer fast and reliable repair services to get it working like new. From broken springs to malfunctioning openers, we handle all types of garage door issues. We proudly serve Apple Valley and surrounding areas with top-notch customer service. At a door company, your satisfaction is our priority. We guarantee high-quality workmanship on every job. We also offer modern garage door openers with smart features for added convenience. Looking for energy efficiency? We provide insulated garage doors to help regulate your home's temperature. Our team is ready to help you find the perfect door to match your style and budget. Schedule your free consultation today and discover the best garage door solutions for your home. Call a door company at 760-244-3178 for expert garage door installation and repair in Apple Valley. Visit us online at www.adorco.com to explore our products and services.